Okay, if you guys have a Ford, and I've seen stories on here about you're driving down the road and then it cuts out and people are stuck on the side and have to get towed, whatever. If your car will crank but won't start, then come back here. First, check your fuses, and then second, check this fuel pump driver module. It looks like that. It's mounted back by the spare tire, either in the trunk or underneath the car if it's in like a truck or SUV. So it's mounted by your spare tire. And what you do is you jump these two outside ends with just some basic wire, and it makes the fuel pump turn on without the module. So if your module's bad and that's the reason that it's not starting, then you can make it work without having to like use the module. All right, just to prove to you guys that it actually works, just so you know I'm not lying. Car turns on, and as you can see, it's running based off those two jumper wires. The module is not plugged in. But the only thing is when you have it set up like this, you don't want to leave the key in the on position. Like, you want to just get in and start it, because the module, it cuts off after a second, like the fuel pump when you first put the key in the ignition. But on here, with it set up like this, then the fuel pump just like keeps running, like as long as it's in the on position. So just, if you have it set up like this, just get in and just turn the key. Don't let it sit there for too long, because then your fuel pump's just constantly running.